Hello and welcome back all folks to your own channel Swing Stocks. Me Chops. I hope all you are doing very well. Let's move on to disclaimer. Do your own research before investing. Invest 5% of your portfolio in one stock. Keep stop loss strictly. Contact your financial advisor. For joint swing trading membership, call 9825681491. Let's move on to updates. We are given NLC India at 56 to 57, now trading at 70. 20% return NLC India has given. We are currently riding the stock. Next update. We are given Ashoka Build at 100, now trading at 116. We are currently trailing SL. Another update. In last video, we are given Mrs. Bector's Food at 410, now trading above 430 plus, now trailing your stop loss. Next swing call, Navratri special call, stock of the week, stock of the month is VST Industries. VST Industries is from FMCG sector. It manufactures cigarette and tobacco related products. After Godfrey Phillips and ITC, look like now time for VST Industries. Let's look the fundamental reports and technical reports. VST Industries trading at 3,451. Market cap at 5,330 crore. It is a small cap company. 52-week high at 4,538. 52-week low at 3,140. Earning per share at 197, PE ratio at 17, book value at 609, dividend rupees 114, dividend yield at 3%, price to sales ratio at 3, return on equity ROE at 35.98%. It's a very fantastic ROE. Earning forecast expert forecasting earning per share at 214 in current year. It's a very excellent forecasting for this share. Durability 65 out of 100. High financial strength. Valuation 28.7 out of 100 means expensive valuation. Momentum 55.4 out of 100 means technically neutral. Strength. First, mutual fund increasing shareholding. Second, no debt. Third, profit are increasing continuously. Fourth, book value per share improving. Fifth, zero promoter pledge. Opportunity. First, rising delivery percentage comparing to previous day, week and month. Second, brokers are increasing their target. Third, high momentum score. Fourth, weekly momentum gainers. Fifth, insider bought stocks. Means promoters are buying in this stock. It is a very good signal. Threat. First, expensive valuation. It's not a problem because FMCG sector stock are always trading at high valuation. Second, threat increasing trend in non-core income. Shareholding pattern. Public 48%, promoter 32%, mutual fund 15%, FII 2%, other institution 1%. Promoters are buying in this stock currently. That's a very good information. Technical report. RSI 53.3. RSI is mid-range. MFI 43.1 means MFI is mid-range. MACD above signal and center. Volume and delivery analysis. Big players are buying slowly. Volume are increasing, delivery are also increasing. Moving average analysis. The all important moving average is 20 days, 50 days, 100 days and 200 days. Simple and exponential. Moving average at between 3,396 to 3,461. All moving average are together means stock are fire big side either upside or downside. VST Industries 4 hours chart. The important swing low at 3,323. Very good buying coming from 3,323. Expert analysis. Total 2 experts are tracking this stock. Both experts are bullish in this stock. For 1 year target, experts are expecting minimum 3,850, median 3,971, maximum 4,093. Downside is nothing in this stock. Upside 20% possible. VST इंडस्ट्री के बारे में हमारी राय। इस शेयर को आप बाय कर सकते हो 3,450 पे। हमारा टारगेट रहेगा 3,900 से लेके 4,000 तक का। हमारा स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा 3,322 और 3,388 का। आप अपने रिस्क के हिसाब से स्टॉप लॉस रखें। हमारा टाइम 1 मंथ से 3 मंथ का रहेगा। हमें रिटर्न मिल सकता है 20% का। हमारा रिस्क रिवार्ड रेशियो देखें तो हमें 100 रुपीज़ का लॉस है और सामने 500 रुपीज़ का फ़ायदा भी हो सकता है, यानी कि 1:5 का फैंटास्टिक रिस्क रिवार्ड रेशियो है। Hey friends, you like our analysis or not? If you like it, then press like button. Share it with your friends. Subscribe this channel right now. If you want to join with us, then send your WhatsApp number in comment box. That's all from this video. Bye bye for now, folks. Thank you for watching.